Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and here in this video I'm going to show you how to view save passwords on your iPhone, and this is for new iOS 26 update. So first of all, go to your app library, search, and here you can type passwords. This is the built-in application for saving your passwords. Click it and it will require you face ID to unlock the password, and after that you can access your password. Here are, you can see all the passwords here, the key pass, code pass, and Wi-Fi. So if I click the Wi-Fi password here, there are all the password that I connected to Wi-Fi. All the Wi-Fi I'm connected with the password. If I simply click this one, simply click this one, and if you want to reveal the password, simply just click the password option here, and you can see the password, and if you tap it, it will copy automatically, and you can do all the same things with all your passwords here. So it is easily savable, and also you can see and copy them via the password application. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next one.